Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel The Bong Tourers, where every ride tells a story. So today we are with one of the most iconic adventure motorcycles in the world, the all-new BMW R1300 GS. So this bike is the successor of the legendary BMW R1250 GS, but this time this bike comes with completely new engine, lighter chassis and a lot more technology. So let's dig in. When it comes to design, the BMW R1300 GS gets completely new look compared to the previous R1250 GS. The overall design is now more compact, sharper and aggressive, giving this bike a much more modern adventure touring appearance. The bike features a distinctive matrix LED headlight design, which is a big departure from the traditional asymmetrical GS headlamp. This new lighting setup not only looks futuristic but also improves visibility while riding at night. It gets integrated indicators at front. As you can see, indicators are integrated in the knuckle guards, integrated indicators in the tail light. The tail section looks really sleek and clean, giving this bike a very good adventure feel. 1300 GS gets a new steel sheet metal shell mainframe, which is lighter and offers more higher stiffness. The subframe is also new and made from die-cast aluminium, which provides structural strength while reducing weight. Overall, the materials, panel finishing and engineering quality feel extremely premium, which is exactly what you will expect from a flagship adventure motorcycle from BMW Motorrad. Powering the 1300 GS is a all-new 1300cc Boxer twin-cylinder liquid-cooled engine, which is the most powerful production Boxer engine. This engine produces maximum power of 145 HP at 7,750 RPM and 149 Nm of torque at 6,500 RPM. This new engine gives a strong performance both on highways and off-road trails. And did you know that this motorcycle doesn't have a chain drive system like regular motorcycles? R1300 GS uses a camshaft driven technology which optimizes power and torque across RPM range. This means you will get strong low end torque for slow off-roading riding and powerful acceleration when you open the throttle on highways. So this new engine feels extremely torquey, powerful and very much capable whether you are going in long highway rides, climbing up mountain roads or in rough terrains. This bike is capable of everything. The BMW R1300 GS comes with a very powerful and advanced braking system designed to handle both highway and off-roading. At front, this bike uses twin 310 mm semi-floating disc paired with radially mounted 4-piston calipers, which provide very strong power and precise braking. At rear, it gives a 285 mm single disc brake with 2-piston floating caliper, helping mountain stability during braking. Bike also gets BMW Motorrad full integral ABS Pro as standard. This is a linked braking system, meaning when you apply either the front or rear brake, the system automatically distributes braking force to both wheels for better control and shorter stopping distance. The bike also gets cornering ABS, dynamic brake control and switchable rear ABS. The BMW R1300 GS is packed with advanced technology that makes riding safer, easier and more comfortable. So the GS is a keyless start bike. As you can see, this is the key. You can just start the bike and put the key here. .5-inch full color TFT display, which shows all essential information like speed, riding mode, navigation, fuel level and bike settings. It also gets smartphone connectivity for calls and messages alert, and you can connect your phone using the BMW Motorrad app. The bike gets 4 riding modes: rain, road, eco and enduro. These modes adjust the throttle response, traction control and ABS settings depending on the riding condition. Apart from the riding modes, the bike also gets dynamic traction control, hill start control, cruise control, electronically adjustable windshield, and you can get optional quick shifter and auto beeper. Electronically adjustable front windshield. From this button you can access the height of your windshield. R13 GS offers an optimal electronic center stand which is very convenient features, especially for a large adventure bike, but the feature is not available in this version. This is the base variant, but the feature is available in the triple black color. These technologies make the R1300 GS one of the most advanced adventure motorcycle currently available, combining safety, convenience and performance in a single platform. R1300 GS is designed to balance big bike stability with off-road capabilities. It gets a wheelbase of 1518 mm, overall length is 2212 mm, gets a ground clearance of 190 mm, and the OEM seat height is 850 mm, but it can be increased to 890 mm, but you need to get that optional from BMW Motorrad showroom. This bike also get optional adaptive ride height system which reduces the seat height from high to low when stopped, but the feature is not available on the base variant. It is available in the triple black edition. Car body weight is approx 237 to 240 kgs, making it lighter than previous version. 19 liters of fuel tank capacity and company claimed mileage is 21 kmpl. The R1300 GS gets the Evo Telever suspension with a central monoshock which separates steering forces from suspension movement. At rear you will get Evo Paralever suspension with a single-sided swing arm. Suspension travel is 190 mm at front, 200 mm at rear. The bike also gets electronically adjustable front suspension, rear suspension. The BMW R1300 GS features 19-inch front, 17-inch rear tubeless spoke wheels, and the tire size is 170 by 16 R17 and 120 by 70 R19. The suspension setup provides excellent stability during off-roads, highway runs and rough terrains, making the R1300 GS one of the most versatile adventure motorcycles. Showroom price of the all-new R1300 GS in Kolkata will cost you around 23 lakhs and approx 26 lakhs on road. Prices may vary depending on the variant you are purchasing. Overall, the R1300 GS is one of the most advanced adventure touring motorcycles currently available. With its new 1300cc boxer engine, improved chassis, advanced electronics and powerful braking system and premium build quality, the bike delivers an incredible balance and performance. My ride experience with this bike was really great. Being a short-height rider, I faced a little bit of difficulty, and I have also ridden the triple black edition. I will give old footage riding the triple black. This bike gets a slightly higher seat height, but the triple black has a lower seat height option which helps any short rider to access the bike easily. Even after being a big and heavy adventure bike, thanks to BMW's incredible work on the weight distribution. So before ending this video, I would like to thank the team at BMW Motorrad Official Kolkata for giving us this wonderful opportunity to ride and review the R1300 GS. It was truly an amazing experience to test such an iconic motorcycle. The detail of the BMW dealership is given in the description. You can check it out. So thank you for watching our video. I hope you like the review video and do comment your reviews in the comment section. See you in the next vlog. Ride safe.